ต้มข่าปลา
or fish and coconut milk soup, the fish version of Thai coconut chicken soup. This is a simple, quick and delicious recipe. If you love fish and coconut milk, don't miss to try this recipe. I bet you will love it. Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Let's get started. I used 2 baby bonito tuna fish. You can use any kind of fish that you like. But I recommend bonito tuna fish because it goes very well with coconut milk. Cut and clean the fish well, then set aside. Turn on stove to medium heat. Pour 1 can of coconut milk. I use Thai coconut milk. Add 1 cup of water to make it less thick. Stir well, then bring to a simmer. Add 6 sliced lemongrass. Add 4 sliced galangal. Add 1 shallot or 3/4 sliced red onion. Add 3 kaffir lime leaves torn into chunks. Add more fish bouillon, then bring it to simmer. Just before the coconut milk comes to a boil, add fish. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 can straw mushroom. When it starts to boil, add 1 to 1½ tablespoon of sugar, add 2 to 3 teaspoons salt, or you can use fish sauce. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons tamarind concentrate. Stir well. Add sliced Thai chilies. Turn off the heat. Transfer to a plate. Garnish with cilantro leaves. Serve with hot steamed rice. Enjoy! Check out the ingredients in the subscription below the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. New videos uploaded weekly.